Hey cuties, it's Chad here, and I'm coming to you with another wig review. This wig I love. This is from Freetress Equal. It's the style Freedom Part Lace 402. It comes with the baby hairs, which is so pretty, and you can also style it in any angle. It's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. And the color that I have is in 1. And this hair was sent to me by ebonyline.com, which I will make sure I post the link down below. I done got so excited about this wig. I'm not doing none of the usual that I usually do, okay? I need y'all to get into this hair. Do you hear me? Get into this hair. Let me tell you what this is called. This is me. This is me. This is me. This is my hair. This is me. Go get this wig. I don't even want to talk no more. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. Go get her. You will not regret her. You won't regret her, okay? Take my word for it. If you ain't took no other word on wigs that I done reviewed, take my word on this. Do you see how pretty she is? Do you see how pretty and long she... Ooh, child, let me do... Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Let me do what I'm supposed to do. She's bomb, y'all. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. That's all you need to know. I put this thing on, honey. The lace was from temple to temple. Y'all, excuse my lashes, honey, because I done had a fit in this hair. But it's beautiful. It is beautiful. The cap is perfect. Let me tell y'all something. I almost got caught, honey. I almost got caught with 1,000 pieces of baby hairs down there. The baby hairs were even beautiful. I almost got caught up, y'all, with the baby hair. So I just had to do one little swirl. Melted on my head as if it was already mine. Yes. Yes, I love this color. It is so bomb. I did not have to pluck the part. I just concealed it with concealer. I didn't have to put any type of heat to this hair. It just laid flat like that, y'all. Good God. Yes. That is what I'm talking about. Feels like it is some Indian hair. I am not playing, y'all. Go get this hair. I don't even want to talk to y'all about the construction of this cap no more. It's bomb. It's bomb. It's bomb. I said go get it before people jump on how good this hair is and it's gone, okay? This is, let me read off the stock card. Y'all know I ain't even in order. I'm excited. This is Freetress Equal Freedom Part Lacefront, style in any angle. It has baby hairs that it comes with. It's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. It comes with a multitude of colors. And y'all, like, that's all y'all need to know. I'm going to put this link down below of where you can go get this hair. Go get this hair. Go get this hair. I could cry. It's beautiful. Like, this camera is not doing this hair any justice whatsoever. And it literally feels amazeballs. When I say amazing, ain't nothing synthetic about this one. Nothing. Okay. So they lying. They lying. They lying. I'm joking. They lying. Y'all know I'm 5'4". It is coming down to my waist. It is all the way down, touching my butt area. Actually, it is touching my butt area. Like, this hair, y'all, look at this. Can y'all please look at this? For the price of this hair, y'all be crazy to overlook this hair. That's all I'm gonna say. I love it. Color on point. Construction of cap on point. Parting on point. Baby hair on point. Length on point. Density on point, no shedding, no tangling. This literally gets my approval, and I'm done with it. Go get it. 2019, Chad's suggestions of stop talking and go buy it is this hair right here. Go do it. I love y'all. Go get this hair. I don't want to talk to y'all about this hair no more. It's bomb. Go get it. Clearly, ebonyline.com. You see how much I love this wig. Thank you so much for sending me this wig. Ladies, thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers. We're almost there for my birthday month, which is this month of March. Don't forget to like and comment and share this video to let everyone know that we love wigs. I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye.